Well, hello everybody. How are you today? So hey, just a reminder, I am Dawn Sargent, the affiliate marketer, and you can catch me on YouTube as I build this channel and talk more about affiliate marketing, the ins and outs, who I partner with, and what's going on. So today, let's talk about one of my newest partnerships. So about maybe a month ago, 6 weeks ago, I started with Legendary Marketer. You may have heard it, you may have searched it to find this video, and here's my flat out honest opinion about the whole situation. So, Legendary Marketing. Legendary Marketer, bad slide. Okay, is it worthy of my time? It is the #1 affiliate I have right now that is worthy of my time. I have other companies I affiliate with, and I have links for them, and I generate income from them. Legendary Marketer is probably my #1 favorite program right now, and it's generating the most income. Where are they gaining traffic? They are gaining traffic for anybody right now who's looking to understand or get into affiliate marketing. They are a process, a system, coaching, total different levels of coaching and stuff. It's perfect for the beginner affiliate marketer, and this is why. So you start off with a 15-day challenge. It's a business builder challenge. And it's not one of those, we pull you in, we hype it up, and we convince you can do anything in the world and just go be free. It is literally a 15-day process of building your business. They take you through the ins and outs, how to set up your funnels, how to set up your email responders, they recommend, well, they don't recommend, but they give you ideas of who to partner with. Yeah, I get tongue-tied on YouTube videos, but they really are, they're a process. And for the beginner affiliate marketer looking to create a business, this is the people you want to go to. What emails are they using? They will give you the emails they use. The whole thing in their blueprint process is so simple, not easy, simple. They give you everything step by step. They walk you through the copy this, paste here, do this, do that. Next thing you know, after 15 days, you literally have a business that is up and running. Fantastic. Why Legendary Marketer? Like I said, it's beginner friendly. For the person who is chasing YouTube videos or Googling the ins and outs of affiliate marketing, what's step 1, what's step 2, what's step 3? They do that for you. They tell you exactly what you need to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's minimal implementation. So they actually give you, if you decide to affiliate with them, which you are not required to, they actually give you the sales funnels. They build them up. They show you how to write your own emails and sales funnels. It's really impressive. For me, when I started with Legendary, that was it. No more shiny object syndrome. I wasn't chasing this opportunity here or chasing that there, chasing the dime here or chasing a connection there. It is a process that is just up and running. So I was able to focus completely on them at this time. Like I just said, focused content. Step-by-step actions, there's not hype. Like any other program, they do let you know, hey, it's what you put into it. You got to work on your mindset, your belief system. You know, eventually we're going to give you the tools, but it's up to you. And they do mentor you completely through the 15-day challenge. So it's not like you just sign up on a website, get a login, and see you later. No, you have not just phone calls, you can do Zoom calls. My mentor, absolutely amazing. In fact, he's probably now one of the people that I watch the most in my learning process still. I recommend you always have to have a mentor, somebody you follow. I have 2, and I look for their content daily, and I follow them. You know, it's not copycat, it's copying the right cat. Well, they're my cats. Love them. So the negatives of affiliate marketing, or even what you think about Legendary Marketer, it's not a multi-level marketing system. As an affiliate marketer, I promote their link. And I promote their link because I believe in the system, I believe in the product, and I'm an example that it works. I gain commissions from them. So yes, I make a commission. If you click on my link, I do make a commission. But once your business is up and running, your income has nothing to do with my income. Not at all. So for anybody, I have been in multi-level marketing, so I just speak from experience. Sometimes you build up that team, it's kind of like it's not a pyramid scheme, because I mean, corporate America, the pyramid scheme goes this way. You're at the bottom making money for all these people up top. For me, multi-level marketing was there's somebody up top and all these people down here are making you money. It's not like that with Legendary Marketer. Once you're up and running, it's your business. Do your thing. If you decide to be someone like me who shares it with somebody else, well, it's for your benefit. It's to help you build your business. I've heard some people say Legendary Marketer, they recruit you to sell their products. No, they don't. If you decide that you are into sports or fitness, well, your niche probably isn't going to be promoting Legendary Marketer, because that's a business builder. It's information, it's education. They're going to teach you how to promote your business that you want to do. You want to create a YouTube video about sports, or you want to be on your own social media and talk about sports, that's fine. They're going to teach you how to build your business around your niche, around your interest, around your product. I personally, my niche when I went into affiliate marketing has organically grown and changed. I found a passion and a love for helping other people do what I've done and what I see other people doing. I think that the traditional income is slowly going out the window. There's so many other ways to make money now, and I just want to be here to teach others how to do that. Skill set, negatives. People think you have to have a skill set. Well, it is a negative because you do need a skill set. But if you don't have the skill set, Legendary Marketer teaches you that skill set. Like I said, they walk you through it step by step. It's amazing. An analogy I like to use. So for years before I had children, I ran restaurants. I was in the hospitality industry. And if I was to go out and make my own restaurant, build my own restaurant, I would hire a consultant, a business consultant who specialized in restaurants. I would hire them, I'd write them a really big check, and they'd give me everything I need about the business in that area. What's the demographics, what the growth like, everything about what I would need to know. Now, at the end of that consultation, as somebody opening a brick and mortar restaurant, I wouldn't look at them and say, how much am I going to make this year? He'd say, I don't know. How much are you going to make this year? It's your restaurant. What are you serving? What is your customer service like? I'm giving you all the tools and I'm letting you know what you need to do to build your business here as a brick and mortar restaurant. But are you going to succeed? It's up to you. You paid me a heavy chunk of change to give you a consultation on the business you want to grow. Now you have to build the business. So I'm kind of running around in circles here, but the skill set, I found that with Legendary Marketer, they gave me that skill set. Everything I do after there is completely up to me. Like I said, my niche going into it, what I thought I wanted to do, what I thought I was going to be, completely changed organically, and I couldn't be happier about it. It's fantastic. So here we go. Choosing a niche or a product. Find the message, the product, and is there a demand? So you want to promote gardening. You have the most amazing flower beds, and everybody in the neighborhood comes by and says, you have the most amazing roses. What is going on? So you are so proud about this, you want to build a business around gardening. Now, you don't want to open a brick and mortar garden shop. You don't want to sell flowers and grow flowers to be sold. You don't want to have a product, but you want to promote gardening and create a business around gardening. Okay, is there a demand? Yep, you already know there is. There's people asking about your roses. So let's just say you start a YouTube channel about gardening, and then you choose, this is the fertilizer that I use the most to grow my flowers. Well, depending on where you get that fertilizer, that business probably has an affiliate program, okay? Big superstores do, Best Buy, Walmart, Amazon. If you go to the bottom of their pages, they'll all have an affiliate program. So wherever you get your fertilizer for your roses, there's an affiliate program. So now you signed up, you have your own link. You're doing your YouTube channel, or you're simply on your own Facebook, TikTok, and people are like, oh, I have to have that fertilizer. They click on your link to buy that fertilizer, you get the commission. That's how simple it is. I'm not saying it's easy. It's simple. Sign up for the program, get your affiliate link, promote the link, earn a commission. Okay? And you're not responsible for sales. Am I responsible for sales? No. Anytime I recommend a product and they go through my link and they go to that product, or they purchase that software or that education, it's out of my hands now. Anything, payment processing, customer service, problems with the products, returns, that is all through the company. I have nothing to do with that. I am simply a marketer for their product. And I refer traffic. Just like I said, I talk about my fertilizer and how great my roses are. I'm referring you to this link. Do you want your roses to look like mine? Excellent. Use this product. They click on there, you earn a commission. So you're receiving commissions just for promoting, not selling. I don't sell anything. I don't want to sell. I'm not a good salesperson. I don't like being sold anything. So that's why this was the perfect business for me. Okay? Why high ticket affiliate marketing is ideal for beginners. So if you choose something that has a commission of $10 and you want to make $1,000 a month, let's just say you're just starting off, you want to make $1,000 a month, and you're promoting something that has a $10 commission, well, you can do the math right there. You have to sell 100 sales in 1 month. You just started a business. What is the chance that you're going to go out and make 100 sales in 1 month? Yeah, no, I would have failed in the beginning. I really would have. So I choose high ticket. I get a higher commission. So you're just starting out. Let's just say you decide after you go through the Legendary Marketer 15-day Business Builder Challenge, you become an affiliate with them. My goal is still $1,000. You know what I have to do? I have to make 1 sale. 1 sale because they are a high ticket product. They have high ticket products. You don't necessarily need to spend that money on their products, but they do have them. As you build your business, you might want to reinvest into those products. I certainly do. So that's the difference. High ticket, high commission. Low ticket, low commission. Multiple sales, fewer sales. If you're a beginner in affiliate marketing, where do you want to start? So that pretty much sums it up for today. My experience so far with Legendary Marketer and what I want to explain about the business. So tomorrow we will dive into some more, and I look forward to seeing you. Please subscribe on my channel, and yeah, let's go.